Hi, this is Naomi Andrigg. I'm going to briefly go through this example of simplifying an expression in the Carnegie Learning System that we'll be using for this class. So quickly we have 5x divided by -4 plus 6x divided by 8. Order of operations, of course, is parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. So here we'd want to do our division first. And those aren't really numbers that divide well, but I'm going to go ahead and rewrite them as fractions. So the way Carnegie Learning works, I'm going to have to select what kind of action I'm taking and then take that action. So since I want to convert division to a fraction, that's what I'll select. Then I have to highlight the part that I'm converting. So I'll highlight one of those divisions and then rewrite it. So I would rewrite it -5x over 4. I can just use the little slash button next under the question mark on my keyboard and it will make a little fraction for me. So I've got that done. Then I go to the next step. The next step is going to be, of course, converting the second division in my expression into a fraction. So convert division to fraction. And again, I have to highlight the part I'm going to convert. I can rewrite this 6x slash on my keyboard 8. And I'll have it as a fraction. From there, I can't add these fractions together because they have unlike denominators, so I need them to have the same denominator. Now, there are two kind of approaches I can take at this point. I can either change the 4 into the 8 by multiplying the top and the bottom of this fraction by 2, or I can go ahead and simplify this fraction and it happens to come out to a 4. Now it won't always happen to come out to the same thing, but since I can simplify a fraction, since it will get to a 4, I'd rather simplify a fraction and deal with smaller numbers than multiply and deal with larger numbers. So I'm going to, simplify fractions, and I need to highlight what I'm going to simplify. It will be dividing the top and the bottom of this fraction by 2. 6x divided by 2, of course, is 3x. And then I hit the slash on my keyboard. 8 divided by 2 will be 4. And then I have that simplified, and my fractions have like denominators, so I can add them together. And then I will just add them together. They have the same denominator, so it'll be over 4, and then I'll just add -5x plus 3x is -2x. So let's see here. Combine like terms, and I'll have -2x over 4, and then I can simplify that fraction. So I go down, simplify fraction, and I'll have -x over 2. That is dividing the top of the fraction, the 2x by 2 and the 4 by 2. 2x divided by 2 is x, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And now I'm done, so I just click that I'm done, and I go on to the next problem. Okay, I hope this helps. Bye.